Bonjour. Thank you so much for watching this video. Looking forward to building your export business? This very short video explainer is going to tell you everything you need to know about the workshop happening in June in Athens. My name is Thierry Bell. I'm the founder of Global Fashion Management and the London Fashion Business Academy, and looking forward to working with you and build up that €1,000,000 export business or more. Why run this workshop? Well, like with Brexit, we need to build exports. It's time for Greece to put itself on the international fashion map. I mean, today, buyers are desperate to find professional brands who are going to help them beat the competition. They are looking for growth and profitability, and you can be the next brand in their store. You've got in Greece a lot of really creative talents, and the economic conditions are here to improve and help you build the international business. So let's go together and let's go far. Today, the clients are telling us the environment is complex, unpredictable. So why stay alone? Why stay just in Greece? Export will build up trust for yourself, for the people working with you, and even the stores you work with in Greece. But mostly, it's going to bring tremendous skills and experience to the team as they are going to be confronted with different cultures and different ways of working. And success will be at the end of the road because you are going to be starting to accept and embrace critical thinking, international best practice, hands-on execution. What's going to make this workshop really unique? Well, first of all, we don't know people who run workshops the way we do. We're going to bring you from an export vision to execution. We're going to show you the step-by-step process across sales or marketing, working with trade shows and agents, but also management tools to help you improve the business. And you will see that it will go way beyond export. It will help you even domestically. That's what our clients are telling us. And we'll have those proven results that we've been doing it also around the world. And why it's going to be also very unique is because we believe that that workshop is going to be successful because we join you ahead of the workshop with preparation. And we're going to share with you online courses, which our clients love, to break a lot of the mistakes their competition have made. And there's going to be follow-up time to generate that success. So what you're going to get out of it is this intense bespoke training, both online courses before the workshop as well as after, but then bespoke because we're going to understand your strengths and weaknesses. We're going to understand your challenges, opportunities, and what you're trying to get out of the workshop. And we're going to deliver just that on the day. And that's why we want just small numbers of brands joining us. We're going to help you have a very clear plan, and we're going to make sure that you understand what needs to be done every month to reach the goals. We're going to show you very practically how to win orders in new markets and at home. And it's going to change the way, I can promise you, how you're going to run the business. Thierry, I've been having in excess of 25 years international experience, both in Europe and the US, and having worked with young designers, small, medium-sized companies, and international fashion brands. Some of the names are on that slide. Every week I work and talk to brands and retailers. So you're going to get both perspective, which very seldom you will find anywhere else, but also the experience working with all the other fashion stakeholders, agents, distributors, boutique and department stores, trade shows, lawyers, accountants, digital marketing companies. Being an expert at who's next, I see brands and retailers and around 150 people every season. That brings me tremendous insight on the field work and what is needed. So, any more questions? Feel free to see the next video, which will tell you much more on the workshop itself. And I'm having also 2 extra videos, which will give you much more on case studies, real case studies of success, but also a lot of the mistakes you need to avoid to grow the business. Thank you very much. Looking forward to receiving your questions, and let's start moving forward to building your €1,000,000 export business.